This is a quick update as to where I am with my jet engine, or to be totally correct, the Artouste gas turbine APU unit. I've mounted it on the trailer, as you can see, along with two batteries and the fuel tank. Over the last few days I've mounted the startup sequencer, which is this unit here. It's an old electro-mechanical unit from the 60s. I believe it was out of a jet Provost. This controls the two-stage starter, ignition, and then the high-pressure fuel pump. Once started, the engine quickly ramps up to its normal operating speed of around 33,000 RPM. This is the 60 kilowatt generator mounted on the gearbox at the front of the engine. All I really have to do now is fit a fuel pipe from the fuel tank to a quick release on the fuel filter, and that's about it. I have two options for towing the trailer and engine. One is my reliable one, which does have a tow bar, probably weighs less than the combined weight of the trailer and the engine. And the other is my Rover V8 powered Beaufort kit car, which does have a decent tow bar and will look great towing the Artouste Royce Auxilary Power Unit.